Hi everyone, this is Tanu and welcome back to my channel Tanu Talks. So guys, in this video I'll be reviewing Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealers. Few days back I got a PR kit from Maybelline in which I got 8 shades of Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealers, and hence in this video I'll be sharing my review and the swatches of all the 8 shades. So yes, let's get started. So guys, Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer comes in a glass packaging like so, with a cushion tip applicator on the top of it. So to take out the product, you simply have to rotate or twist the packaging and the product will automatically come on the top of the cushion applicator. The packaging is really convenient to use. You can directly apply it on your skin for the application. And now I'll be sharing with you all different ways of using this concealer in your everyday makeup routine. So the first way is to use it to cover your dark circles and dark spots. You can simply apply it and blend it with your fingers. You can also use your brush, but I feel fingers works best to blend this out since the texture of these concealer is very buttery smooth. They blend in like a dream, guys. So on the half of my face I'm applying this concealer, I'm covering my dark spots, and on the other half I haven't applied anything. So you can yourself see the difference between left and the right side of my face. So you can see it leaves a very natural sheen on the skin. I really like it. Next way is to use it as your eyeshadow base. This concealer can be also used to enhance your eyeshadow color. For that purpose you need to apply it on your eyelid and then powder it out, and you can see on one eyelid I have applied concealer, on other I haven't applied anything, that is on the left side. So I'm just going to apply eyeshadows on both the side, and you can yourself judge that which eyeshadow looks much better. Obviously the eyeshadow on the right side looks much better, it looks much brighter and the color pops out in a much better way. The third way is to use it as a contour. You can use it to get a chiseled look on your face. I personally don't like the contouring sticks which leaves a very sharp line on your face, which gives you a very sharp cut. I prefer my contouring sticks to be very warm, which blends in very beautifully with my foundation, and therefore I really love the outcome of this concealer to be used as a contouring stick. You can see the difference between both of the sides of the face. The right side looks way better than the left side of the face, and yeah, you can also use it as a contouring shade. So guys, now that you know different ways of using these concealers, I'm going to show you the swatches of all the shades. We have shade number 130, which is medium. I feel it's lighter for Indian to medium skin tones. Then next we have 110 fair. It is a really white color, guys. Only fair to light skin tones can use this. Then we have shade number 140 honey. I feel this is perfect for my skin. Like, I have got a wheatish to medium skin tone. I feel this is perfect for my skin tone, girls. Then we have shade 150, which is neutralizer. It says neutralizer, but again I feel it's really white. Then we have 120, which is light. It's a pure white color concealer. Then we have shade 100, which is ivory. Again, it is perfect for light skin tone girls. Then we have my favorite shade, which is 144 caramel. This is perfect for concealing your under eye dark circles. This is my favorite shade out of all the shades. I really like how lightweight these concealers are. Your under eyes don't feel heavy or weigh down after applying the concealer. Also, this concealer gives you a very medium coverage. Obviously, if you want full coverage, you can build it up by applying another layer on the top of it. But otherwise, this concealer gives you a very natural sheen on your face. I feel 2 shades which are perfect for Indian skin tones are caramel and honey, and those are the 2 shades which I use on my skin. So guys, this was the review for Instant Age Rewind Concealers by Maybelline. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then please make sure to subscribe, and yes, I'll see you guys next time. Till then, y'all take care. Bye.